Welcome to Engineering Chemistry. Today I am discussing about the topic Debrogli wave equation. Debrogli wave equation, this is also known as a wave nature of electron. This is also known as a wave nature of electrons. Here to explain the properties of light. To explain the properties of light, it was proposed that light is having both particle and wave nature. Planck gave an equation regarding these two natures, that is equal to E is equal to h nu. But here nu is equal to c by lambda, but E is equal to hc by lambda. This is the equation number 1. According to Debrogli, this dual nature is not only limited to light but applicable to for all particles. According to this theory, electrons and protons are also having wave nature. In addition to particle nature, wave nature in addition to particle nature. According to Einstein's law of mass, Einstein's law of mass, energy equivalence E is equal to mc square. This is the equation number 2. From the above two equations, that is 1 and 2, from the above 1 and 2 equations, mc square is equal to hc by lambda. Here one c is there, here one c is there. We cancel this cc. Then lambda is equal to h by mc or lambda by h by mv or lambda is equal to h by p. Okay. Here the Debrogli proposed that this relation is applicable to any moving particle. This is applicable to any moving particle, and it is having a wave nature, which depends upon movement. And here according to this equation, that means according to Debrogli, lambda is equal to h by mv. Then here where lambda is equal to wavelength, m is equal to mass of the particle, and v is equal to velocity, h is equal to Planck's constant. Using this relation, the wavelength of any particle can be calculated, and the large particles like bullet and ball will have very low lambda values, indicating that they are not having wave nature. The wavelength of electron is calculated from the crystal diffraction experiments. The experimental values and the calculated values are exactly coincide with each other, and hence the wave nature of the electron is confirmed. Here similarly, protons and neutrons are also having wave nature. The electron is an atom or present as a stationary wave, that is the waves are formed continuously. According to Debrogli, lambda is equal to h by mv. V is equal to h by m lambda. This is equation number 1. Here, but according to Bohr's angular momentum, Bohr's angular momentum, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Then v is equal to nh by 2 pi mr. This is the equation number 2. From this first equation and this second equation, from first and second, h by m lambda is equal to nh by 2 pi mr. Then 1 by lambda is equal to, from these equations we got 1 by lambda is equal to n by 2 pi r. Then is equal to n lambda is equal to 2 pi r. N lambda is equal to 2 pi r. Here, according to this equation, the circumstances of an orbit, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is an integral multiple of wavelength. Hence all orbits are not possible for an electron. If it is not an integral multiple of wave, it will be destroyed and the waves are not formed continuously. In such a cases, the orbit cannot be extended, and hence for the physical existence, for this physical existence of an orbit orbit, the circumstances of orbit must be equal to integral multiple of the wavelength. That is, suppose if it is here one waves are, one orbit is there, just like the waves are like this. This is about the wave nature of the electrons, that is the de Broglie wave equation. Thank you very much.